How to use Comet Browser. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. What we're going to do right here is to of course open our Comet right here. And then once you're now here, just click Start Install. After that, let's wait for it to finish. Once you're now here, just click Get Started. After that, what we're going to do, if you want to import your account right here, you can do that. So you can just choose your account right there. But for this instance, I will just click do this later. So I'm going to skip that. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to create a username and then choose our avatar right here. So let's say, for example, that we want to use this. And then in this part, you can change the interface, whether you want dark mode or light mode. But I will just leave it on this part and then click on continue. After that, if you want to make Comet your default browser, you can do that by clicking on this one and then just go here on the set default. But I will just also skip that. So once you're now here, what we're going to do is to choose whether you want to check this or not. So it is optional. So I'm just going to uncheck all of that and then click Start Comet. Once we're now here, you will be welcome with this interface. So it looks like any other browser that you know. So all you have to do here is to first continue with your Perplexity account. So I'm going to click on with my Google account right here and then just click on continue. And then once you're now here, you will be redirected into this website. So in this part, just like any other AI that you know, so you can of course type anything that you want to ask. So you can also of course search right here. You can also research. You can go here on the labs. You can also attach some file if you want to. It's basically just like any other LLM that you're using. So in this part, you will now be able to see your account. So if you want to switch your account, you can do that right here. Now in this part, if you go here on the upper right corner of the screen, you will now be able to see this assistant. So if you click that assistant right there, so this will pop up. So let's say, for example, that we are browsing on YouTube right there. And then in this part, you will see this assistant. What we're going to do is to, let's say, for example, describe what's in the website. So as you can see right here, the assistant is able to see your screen. So if ever you need some help about anything, as long as it is on screen, of course, the Comet Assistant will be able to help you. So you can do that right there. So if you want to ask something, all you have to do is to type it right here, and then Comet Assistant will be able to help you. Now you can also launch voice mode right here. So if you click that, we have here like a voice assistant that we can also use. So it could also see your screen right there. So that is what makes Comet great for a browser. So going back here on this part, you can also go here and summarize the current web page if you want to. So as you can see, we can summarize it right here. So you will see it right there after finishing. And then in this part, you will be able to see the settings of the Comet app. So your account, of course, your history, your downloads, the settings, the extensions, and so on. So if you click that, you can also see your accounts, which is right here. So after that, once you're now here, all you have to do is to use it just like any regular browser that you're using, and then you're now good to go. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to use Comet Browser.